David here with Outfitter Satellite. I have here an Iridium 9575 Extreme satellite phone. It is the flagship Iridium phone and is packed with features that sets it apart from any other sat phone. The phone itself has a rubberized exterior to make for easy gripping. It has an IP65 rating for dust and water intrusion, which makes it highly water resistant. This phone includes an emergency SOS button on the top. It can be programmed to send a text message or make a phone call to an emergency number that you choose, making it great to have for emergencies. The 9575 is also GPS enabled and has the capability of sending GPS coordinates via text message, including breadcrumb tracking as well as optional location-based services. This makes the 9575 a perfect phone for emergency use. If you're comparing features with, say, the iSat Phone 2, the Iridium 9575 can be used anywhere on the planet with no limitations for terrain, whereas the iSat Phone 2 is somewhat limited in use cases closer to the North or South Pole and in mountainous areas. The 9575 is also lighter in weight, and its antenna retracts and stores inside the body of the phone. This is all the standard kit that comes with the 9575. The 9575 comes standard in black. For an upcharge, there are color options available, including a sporting camo and a safety yellow. If you need additional information about this phone or the service plans available to pair with this device, please call us today.